Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? This is Jasmeen with Urdu and English sentences. I hope that these are very helpful for you and for your kids. You can speak these sentences Urdu English with your kids, friends and family members. Now let's we start. But before starting, I will say you please subscribe, like and share my channel with your friends, with your family members and give your feedback especially. Thank you. Number 1, मेहरबानी करके पैसे गिन लें. Please count the money. Please count the money. Number 2, तुम ये कुर्सी कितने में खरीदी? तुमने ये कुर्सी कितने में खरीदी? What did this chair cost you? What did this chair cost you? Number 3, ये दिन बार बार आए. Many happy returns of the day. Many happy returns of the day. आपके मशवरे का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Very thanks for your advice. Very thanks for your advice. Number 5, ये दवाई बहुत कड़वी है. This medicine is very bitter. This medicine is very bitter. आसमान पर बादल छाए हुए हैं. The sky is overcast. The sky is overcast. आज क्या ही अच्छा मौसम है. It is very pleasant today. It is very pleasant today.